Hey guys, in today's lecture we're going to be talking about IPv6 subnetting. Now, when subnetting IPv6, we've got to remember there's really only one reason to do it. Because there's such a vast amount of IP addresses available, and broadcasts are already split up rather nicely in IPv6. The only thing you really need to worry about is domains. You need to have a hierarchy, a way to organize things and administer things, separate logs, have security mechanisms. So the only thing that's going to cause you to want to separate IPv6 networks into subnets is simply for the fact of creating a hierarchy. Now, subnetting IPv6 works very similar to subnetting IPv4. You've got three parts again. You're going to break down, you've got the part your internet service provider gave you, or whoever assigned your address gave you, your range. And that, of course, is going to be your prefix, your global prefix. The next section is you're going to have your subnet ID. And then you're going to have your host ID. Now, it works in the same ways. You're going to borrow bits from the host ID to create a subnet ID. So you calculate it about the same way, it's just a lot larger scale. However, in this case, I'm just going to show you, let's state that your global prefix was EA707792 is your global prefix. So it's 8 bits. You only want a 4-bit subnet ID because you really don't need that many subnets. So you're going to just add a 4-bit subnet ID on top of it. And let's say we're going to start with 0001. And then you're going to have EA70. And then of course that subnet will be that. You've got 7792 with 0002 and that subnet. Then you've got EA707793 with that subnet. So you just simply break down the IPv6 into more manageable groups. So you've got group A, group B, group C. Again, addresses aren't a problem. There's an abundance of addresses, so limiting things down by addresses won't ever be a problem. So you'll probably never end up having to sit down and calculate, I need this many hosts, like you do in IPv4. So IPv6 subnetting is a breeze. Walk in the park, and there's not much to it. So that pretty much simplifies and sums up IPv6 subnetting. I hope you guys enjoyed this micro lecture, and we'll see you next time.